Hi everyone. Today we are installing Sublime Text and setting up a web project in less than 2 minutes. First, search for Sublime Text on Google. Go to the download page and choose your operating system. I am picking Windows. Open the file and finish the setup with a few clicks. Before coding, let's create a folder on the desktop and name it My Website. Now open Sublime Text. Go to File and click New File. Next, then press Ctrl+S to save it. Make sure to name it index.html. Now for the best part. Just type HTML and press the Tab key. Sublime Text automatically generates the full HTML template for you. You are all set to build your website. Subscribe for more coding tips, and I will see you in the next one.